Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady, a channel that offers information related to organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And today I am so excited because we are going to look at how to organize your linen closet. We're going to show you how we do ours, and if you like to take up those tips, feel free to do so. If you see anything you like, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. My YouTube friends, so these are the items that you will need to organize your linen closet. I have the chalk here because we'll be using that on the tags that you will see in the upcoming video. These buckets, I got them from Walmart. You can get them in a pack of 10 and they hold quite a few items. So let's get busy and let me show you what the closet looks like.
This linen closet is located in the hallway right off of the upstairs sitting area. There are 5 shelves in this linen closet. Each shelf holds 2 baskets that holds various linen items. We have fitted sheets, we have flat sheets, bath towels, hand towels, washcloths. This is a very convenient way to store your linen items. I found that rolling your linen versus folding your linen is space saving and enables you to see what you have. I like the chalkboard surface of these tags. You can write down what's in each container, and if you change containers, you can change that tag easily. This is the perfect way to have a neat linen closet.